Good day, sir. I am Rayami Apasibli Itang, your BCA and freshman student of Leyte Normal University, San Isidro Campus under Entrepreneurial Management, Behavior Management. Subject here is my video presentation to the following task question number. Ay, di ako yun. How an entrepreneur work to the businessman. An entrepreneur should be excited by the prospect of work. They should always have a strong drive to succeed and overcome obstacles. Discuss the different behavior or attitude of an entrepreneur. 1. Passion. 2. Bravery. 3. Flexibility. Strong work ethic and integrity. What factors affect the culture of organization? Organizational culture is composed of different observed forms which include verbal communication, use of symbols, ritual, tradition, techniques of problem solving, and use of machines. Number 2. How organization live longer? Larger companies need a continuous input of more and more management energy simply to remain in existence, and larger the company, the more energy it needs to survive. 3. When can say that organization is powerful tool for human being. Effective organization create result, and to be fully effective and profit must exhibit strengths in 5 core organizational areas: leadership, decision making, and structure, people, work, process, and system, and culture. 4. Why divisional structure are very important for organizations. The advantage of this divisional structure in organizational and efficiency, for example, functional division keep your marketing, IT, SD, HR, and other terms in department of their own. Give the different role and function of line and staffing of organization. Line staff organization is management approach in which authorities manager establish goals and objectives that are then fulfilled by staff and other workers. A line staff organizational structure attempts to render larger and complex enterprises more flexible without sacrificing management authority. How the key elements work in the organization. The 4 common elements of an organization includes common purpose, coordinated effort, division of labor, and hierarchy of authority. 7. What are the employee roles in the organization? The employee are the true asset of an organization. They are the ones contribute effectively towards the successful functioning of an organization. They strive hard to deliver their best and achieve the assigned targets within stipulated time frame. Why Committee structural is important to organizations. Committee organizational structure provide integrated ideas of various related people of the company organizations. 9. Explain the advantage and disadvantages of committee in the organizations. Committee gives focus on equal participation of all members while taking decisions. Committee can identify several possible alternatives to solve the problem because of the collective knowledge of highly qualified experts and specialists. 10.
Okay.
Design and lay out sample of organizational structure of certain company.